top AI video enhancers that will blow your mind. Restore, sharpen, lip sync, and add cinematic blur. Hey everyone! Imagine turning your blurry, low-quality videos into crisp cinematic visuals instantly. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Welcome to the world of AI video enhancement tools, where machines don't just analyze, they actually upgrade your footage. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 incredible AI tools that can restore old or low-quality videos, add realistic background blur, bokeh, for cinematic effects, automatically lip-sync video and audio in seconds. Whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, video editor, or just someone who loves exploring AI, this video will blow your mind. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the best in AI and video tech. Let's dive in. Number 1. SeedVR2 AI Video Restoration Tool. We have a truly impressive AI tool. It's called SeedVR2. This powerful model is built for one purpose: restoring and enhancing low-quality videos. In simple terms, you can input a blurry, noisy, or pixelated clip, and it will automatically clean it up. It removes noise, reduces blur, and adds stunning detail. Here's what it does: removes compression artifacts, fixes motion blur, sharpens textures, adds clarity to faces and backgrounds. Let's look at some examples. In this clip, a boy is playing guitar. On the left side, you see the original footage, blurry and washed out. But on the right, after using SeedVR2, the same scene becomes sharp, vivid, and clear. It's like giving your video an instant HD makeover. Here's another one. A girl dancing in a low-res video. And again, SeedVR2 upgrades it dramatically. You'll notice every strand of hair and detail in her outfit pop to life. It's incredible. And now, check out this scenic landscape. Before, dull, fuzzy, almost unwatchable. After, crisp mountains, defined sky, vibrant colors, almost like it was shot on a pro camera. Even in highly complex scenes, like the Eiffel Tower under a starry sky, the tool adds detail to every part of the frame. From architectural edges to subtle light flares, the transformation is stunning. Key features of SeedVR2: supports videos up to 1080p resolution, one-step restoration, no complicated setup, faster and smarter than traditional video enhancers. If you're into AI filmmaking, video editing, or archiving old footage, SeedVR2 is a must-try. Next up, let's talk about OmniSync, a revolutionary AI lip-sync tool developed by Kuaishou Technology. Unlike other tools that require manual tweaking or scripting, OmniSync makes the process completely automatic. How it works.
Hi there, welcome to this video.
Ever notice when lips don't match the words in videos?
That's what we're fixing. OmniSync makes any character's mouth move perfectly with speech.
Whether it's real people, cartoons, or AI characters.
Let's see what OmniSync can do.
You feed it any input video and a separate voiceover or audio track. It will match the mouth movements in the video to perfectly sync with the audio. And what's even more amazing, even if the subject's mouth is partially blocked or at odd angles, OmniSync still manages to lip sync accurately. Examples. In one video, a character's face is partially turned, and yet the lips match the audio precisely. In another, despite low lighting and background distractions, the sync remains spot on. It even works across different characters, languages, and styles, making it perfect for AI avatar videos, voiceover content, multilingual dubbing, virtual influencers, compared to other video lip sync.
That we have a ride-share partnership.
I just let you find out what you've been looking for. I wish you wouldn't know that was me.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is the power of...
I moved to the United States when I was 2 years old, so almost my entire life has been a blend of two cultures. I eat pasta with chopsticks.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that
I'm back to right. I did, I love you every single night. You know you like that, dear. You know you like it when I write you on me. Love that you.
Bonjour et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Super Easy French. Aujourd'hui, vous allez apprendre à vous présenter en français de manière formelle et informelle. Allons-y!
Es ist ein wunderschöner Donnerstagnachmittag in Berlin. Die Sonne scheint, es ist Anfang März und wir wollen heute mal wissen, was die Leute heute noch vorhaben.
Che cosa vi viene in mente guardando questo oggetto? La lampada di Aladino? Esatto. Ma che cosa desiderano gli italiani? Andiamo a chiederglielo.
3. Any-to-Bokeh adds cinematic blur to videos. Now let's talk about visuals and how to make your videos look cinematic. The next tool is called Any-to-Bokeh, and it lets you add professional-grade background blur, aka bokeh, to any video. That's right. You don't need a DSLR or a cinematic lens anymore. Here's what it does. Applies a smart blur to backgrounds, keeps the subject in sharp focus, adds a movie-style depth of field, makes even basic footage look professional. Watch these before and after clips. In the first example, a boy is dancing in front of a busy street. The original video is sharp throughout. Nothing stands out. But after using Any-to-Bokeh, the background becomes artistically blurred, and the focus shifts directly to him. It now looks like a music video. Here's another one. A girl is swinging in the park. Before, everything is in focus, but post-processing creates a beautiful cinematic effect that highlights her presence. One more. A goat walking on a mountain path. Before, sharp everywhere. After, background blur creates a nature documentary vibe with professional polish. You can even customize the focal point, changing where the camera focuses within the video, even after it's recorded. Snapshots. This is especially useful for travel videos, reels and shorts, AI-generated avatars, story-based content, short films and trailers. Bonus tip. Combine this tool with SeedVR2 for Ultra HD cinematic results. Use OmniSync to match the dialogue and you've got a full AI production pipeline. Want to upgrade your blurry videos, sync voiceovers like a pro, or add cinematic focus effects? All without expensive gear or editing skills? These 3 AI tools, SeedVR2, OmniSync, and Any-to-Bokeh, can transform your content creation process. SeedVR2 restores and enhances low-quality videos, perfect for editors, filmmakers, and archive restorers. OmniSync, the ultimate auto lip sync AI tool, fast, accurate, and compatible with all kinds of characters. Any-to-Bokeh, instantly add professional blur and focus effects, ideal for creators, vloggers, and storytellers. With these tools, your content will not just stand out, it will look cinematic, polished, and professional. And the best part? Most of these tools are free, open source. So what do you think? Which of these tools will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow creators. Stay tuned for more AI tools, faceless video ideas, and content creation hacks right here. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating. This is Manonium signing off.